Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to post in Binance Square. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to post in Binance Square. On the navbar, right next to it, you will see a button like this called as Square. Simply hover over it, and once you do, these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple things. But right now, all you need to focus on is this button called as Square. Click on it, and guys, that is it. Once you do, you will be redirected to the Binance Square section. The very first thing that you are gonna be is in the home page, and right here you can see something called as Share Your Thoughts. Well, it is quite similar to Facebook. Simply paste whatever you want right here. And guys, that is it. Well, do note that you can also add emojis, images, videos, coins and everything. But right now all we want to do is post it. So let's simply hit on this post button right here. It's gonna ask you to follow the terms and conditions. So let's simply click on this checkbox right here. And once you've done that, simply hit on continue. Well, as soon as you do that, your post will be posted. And guys, that is it. That's how we post in Binance Square. It is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.